Words like people go together. Words belong together. They come in pairs, come together in groups. They make collocations. So learn words in threes, not cup, but a cup of. Learn words in groups, a cup of tea. Learn words in collocations, a cup of strong tea. Learn words in phrases, can I have a cuppa? Learn any words and collocations you want, with Memra. And just like all native speakers, you will sound natural, speak fluently, make fewer lexical mistakes, learn words faster. Natural English, this is what Memra is for. Memra is a universal adaptive system, based on well-proven methodology, lexical approach. Its smart algorithm, agglomerative hierarchical clustering system, guarantees reinforced learning of any lexical items. Memra, it's easy. Choose your native language. Choose your level of English. Choose your type of memory. Enter any English words and collocations you want, the tasks, and you'll learn your words, once and forever.